Hi all, Renee here. Well, welcome to August. I am here today with the August Cut Above Layout Kit for the Close to My Heart Craft with Heart subscription service. Um, I think this looks like a really fun one, really bright, really happy. Lots of really great photo options. There's a lot of photo places. So I'm looking forward to putting this one together. So I'll go ahead and show you the contents of the kit. I will put some music on, put it together, and then be back at the end to show you what it looks like. So of course you always get your photo placeholders, and like I said, there's a whole bunch of photo places in this kit this month. So these are more than I've seen before. Looks like a little journaling area. You get all of your, and everything in these kits are totally pre-cut. You don't need to cut anything. So we've got what these probably will be some photo mats. So we'll put those to the side. You get your stickers, which are clearly marked layout 1 and layout 2, and they're heavy cardstock stickers. You also get all of your die cuts. They're really well made. They're a thick cardstock as well, and I will be popping those out as I need them. There's layout 1 and layout 2, so we'll put that aside. Then you also have your pre-printed pages. So this would be for layout 1, and this would be for layout 2. So I think this part is what really makes the whole project go so much faster, is because you have these pre-cut, pre-printed pages, faces to get going with. And when you get it all together and you get it in your page protector, it doesn't look like you took a shortcut. It looks like you spent a lot of time on your layouts. So with that, I'm going to go ahead, get started. I'll put some music on for you, and I'll be back at the end to show you some close-up views of the completed projects. I hope you enjoy. these turned out really cute and were really, really fast. Let me move some space here. So here's the first one. Really, I'll give you some close-up looks. I really like the way that those letters went in, and they were really easy to handle because they're such a thick cardstock sticker, plus they're a little larger. So there is how that one turned out. And then here is this one. Again, really cute. I did put this balloon up on some foam tape, but I left that edge open so that I could slip my pictures in. And the foam tape that I used, this is just leftovers from a shaker card that I made weeks ago. So hold on to these pieces because you will use all those little dimensional adhesive pieces. So I really like how this all came out. This lined up really easy. And I did layer this one under the other, but you really don't have to. The way that they cut this, it works perfectly just to butt them all up against each other. And that makes it really easy and easy to get it all properly spaced. And then these strings are just so cute. I love how that turned out. So great. And I may throw some shimmer brush on all these stars to sparkle them up. And then the second one, I think this is my favorite one. I love this layout. Here's the second layout. And with all of the lemons and just the really fun. Now, you'll notice that when I usually put down photo placeholders, I just put a little bit of my ATG tape in the middle because I pull them off when I put my pictures in and then just reuse these on other layouts. But for this one, because it didn't have any sort of photo mat, I thought it might be nice to get my pictures 3x3 and then just cut like 1/8 of an inch around the corner and then leave that white as a like a photo mat. So there's how that came out. Really cute. Again, I may put some shimmer brush on these hearts. Anytime you put shimmer brush over a dark color, it always just amazes me how beautiful it turns out. And then here's the other half. I love how this went in. If you do this kit, put this down first, then put your pennants because your pennants are supposed to overlap that a little bit. I didn't do it, but you know what? It turned out just fine. And again, I left these open. You could put this piece. I thought about putting this piece on some foam adhesive to kind of lift it up, but my books are starting to get a little too fat from all of the dimensionals I put in them. So I need to kind of scale myself back on that. So there we go. So that is the entire August Craft with Heart subscription kit. And I hope you had a lot of fun watching me put it together. If you have any questions about it, questions about the subscription service, I'll have a link down below. You can check out my store, but also leave me a comment. I'd be happy to get back with you and explain it to you and how it works. It's great. I think it's a fun and easy way to take some time for yourself once a month and do something fun and creative that's not frustrating because it's already pretty much done for you. All you gotta do is put it together. So if you can use glue, you're good to go. Don't even worry about how I cut off all my little things. I'm just overly concerned with that stuff. It's probably not even anything you can tell when you look in my books. But there is that. And again, thank you so much for being here and watching. Have questions, let me know. If you like my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe. Just hit the little red button down below, and that's all you need to do. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.